we are going to have a look at the ZeroGogo dash cam. So I've honestly been really impressed with this dash camera. It has a lot of features that set it apart from other dash cameras that I have used, and I've used quite a few. A few nice things about this dash cam: for one, it has built-in GPS, it has front and rear camera, it has a remote for taking a picture, and then it also has an optional wiring kit so that the dash camera can always stay on even if the car is turned off. Out of the box, you can see this dash camera. It has a really sleek design that doesn't take up too much space. One nice thing is it does have a built-in LCD screen to help you position the camera correctly. The camera also has a lens that reduces windshield glare. Out of the box, it also comes with a GPS mount, a rear camera, wire clips, adhesives, a shutter remote, 2 cords for the front camera, one with a cigarette lighter and one that is just a USB cord, and a cord for the rear camera. I just want to mention that I'm honestly really impressed with the amount of stuff that this comes with. It really is compatible for any car or truck that you have. I'm not going to go into the installation because I've covered this in another video that I will link at the end of this video. I'll just say that you should expect to spend about 30 to 60 minutes to set up this dash camera. So when you set it up, you'll notice that it has a lot of cool features. For example, it has motion detection mode and parking mode. I will say that the setup was not super intuitive for me. It took me a couple minutes just to figure out how to do the navigation on this thing. But once I figured that out, it was easy enough to set up and figure out. Here's some video footage of my maiden voyage. This is the first time I took it out, and I just went around the block to see how well this worked. A couple things I observed is, for one, it has a super wide angle. You definitely get the fisheye effect on this. The quality of the video actually is really pretty good for a dash camera. And then it comes with the lens that is supposed to reduce windshield glare. I took this off and put it back on. Tried to tell the difference. Honestly, I can't really tell much of a difference. So it's probably cool to have, but I can't really tell. Another thing I observed is I really like having a rear camera. I think that's a really nice feature. I also enjoy having the timestamp as well as the GPS coordinates and the speed always on the video. That is really convenient to have, and I imagine would be really nice to have if you ever get in an accident. So I've actually been using this for a few months now. I really like it, and I think really overall the video quality it's not the best, but it's really quite good for a dash camera. While I'm happy with the video quality during the day, at night the video quality really isn't that great when it's dark. Overall, I've been very happy to have this dash camera. I've had at least 2 incidents where I could potentially have gotten in an accident and it would have been the fault of the other driver, and I have that on video. One ran a 4-way stop, and the other instance was a truck making a left turn probably when he shouldn't have. I had to kind of slow down quite a bit to avoid hitting him. It looks like the truck's super far away because it's such a wide angle, but the truck was actually pretty close. I am very happy to have this dash camera. I really recommend it, especially I like the fact that it has GPS and overall good video quality. If you want to check it out more on Amazon, I will have a link posted below. Thanks.